Apples. Want a little bit? You want some more apples? What are you looking at? The books? The pictures? The pictures? Why don't you look right there? Hey, Sebi. Who's that? Is that Sebi? Do you want more apple? Where's the spoon go? In your mouth? Yes, in the mouth. In the mouth. That's where the spoon goes. My smarty boy. Do another bite. Apple, mango, and banana. Apple, mango, and banana.